one is not harsh, very tiny little. It's biting my hand. I'm thirsty. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Baby Caro. If you are viewing this channel for your very first time and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. It's a beautiful day. You can see today the sun, it's coming up very early because it's 8 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, thank you so much for always supporting me. I really appreciate it. I don't take it for granted. Yeah, thank you so much. Today I'm very happy. Yeah, it's another blessed day. So when you wake up early in the morning and you are well and good, it's good to be thankful. Yeah, if it's not for God, yeah, it's because of God's love. Like we are here to see another day. Yeah, there are so many people sick in various hospital. We wish them all a quick recovery. Yeah, they be safe wherever they are. I hope you're also doing fine wherever you are. Today is a good day. So right now, oh, you're watching me from Nyabohanse here in Africa. Much love to everyone in every part of the world. So today, we want to go, like I said earlier before, the water point. We had a borehole. I don't know, maybe I should take you there. It's a bit not very far, but I'll take you. There's a borehole there down. It was finished. Even when we my phone storage is full. Let me delete some items. Yeah, sorry for the disruption. I was trying to delete some items. It brought for me the notification of storage full. Yeah, I've deleted some items now. It's okay. So there's a borehole down there which is depleted. Actually, even we didn't even put a full super drum, and it's not that big, but yeah, it got depleted. So today, like, it's a day of going to the river. We want to bring plenty of water because we want to smear the whole house, so it needs, like, yeah, plenty of water. So I have some company. Yeah, they will say hi. Yeah, we'll be going to, there's another borehole there at it's not very far, but yeah, from a neighbor, not very far. So we'll be there fetching some water for smearing, for mixing with the clay. Yeah, then we'll help in smearing the house. So I hope you stay tuned, watch it till the end, don't skip the ads. Shikamo. Shikamo. So don't skip the ads. Like, comment, share, and yeah, I really appreciate. Yeah, shikamo is a Kiswahili name, like greeting for the elder people. Yeah, you say shikamo, then the person tells you marahaba. That's a greeting. So guys, stay tuned. I hope you enjoy the video till the end. I really love you. So, oh, these are just some goats over here. Yeah, there's a small puppy here. Oh, very cute. Baby, baby. Wow, I really love small puppies and small kittens. Like, they look very beautiful. Wow. Yeah. It's very dark, then you won't be able to see. Yeah, this is just a pot right over here, but the water is not depleted, so maybe I should add some firewood. Let me look for the firewood outside. Mbwa yetu. Yeah, I just lit up the fire. Let me. Yeah, the fire is just right over to the borehole, not the river. Yeah, so guys, please stay tuned. We are going to the river. She's telling me to take the dog a photo. Baby, where are you going? There's another one there, but it's very harsh, very harsh. I fear it. This one is not harsh, very tiny little. It's biting my hand. Ready, check. Isikume. Yeah. Hey, there's chicken over here. Like, I really love village life. Very green, you know. These are cassavas here in plenty, cassava. But I think these one, they are not yet mature. Is it mature? Fully grown. Yeah, so Diana's construction site is just right over here. Yeah, so guys, we'll be bringing some water. Like, the water is a very less. Yeah, so just right here. Actually, we didn't finish yesterday to smear. You can see it's just a little part. Here we managed to smear this part, and the behind, I think, only half part of it. Yeah, this way only. We smeared this side, so this one is still remaining. It's because, guys, of water. Hey, it could be good if there could be like a borehole just here, like very near. But maybe, yeah, with some time, I think it will be there. So if it could not be water, we could like have finished the whole smearing the whole house yesterday. Yeah, so right here, yeah, we'll be helping. Yeah, they are mixing the water together with the water is very small. We are going to fetch it from the borehole. Yeah, Seveni, hi. Hi. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, will be helping. Only water is the problem. Yeah, so we'll be going to the borehole with some of my friends and neighbors. Yeah, like they'll be helping. So watch the video till the end. I really hope you enjoy it. Yeah, thank you so much for always supporting. Here, your girl, baby Caro. I really love you. Like I've been smiling. I love smiling. Even McKenna always called me a smiling machine. Like, not only her, many people call me smiling machine. Let me know in the comment section if it's the truth, like I'm a smiling machine. Yeah, I'm not a smiling machine, but I love smiling. Yeah, being happy. Yeah, stay tuned. I love you. Yeah, so right here, guys, we are heading to the river. Yeah, I'm carrying some 2 jerry cans here. So yeah, we'll see where the borehole is. We are right heading over there, and I have some 2 amazing friends here. They will say hi. She's here in the front line. Say hi. Hi. Gina. Naitwa Lilian. Yeah, this is my friend. Actually, she's the neighbor. She's Lilian. Yeah, and here is her sister. She'll say hi. Hi. Yeah. My name is Cisco. Cisco. Wow, it's a very unique name. Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's a very sweet name. I think very few people are called that Cisco. Yeah, so everyone is carrying her jerry can. We are heading right to the borehole. So let's see. Yeah, let's reach at the water point. I hope you are enjoying this video, guys. So hey, it's very far, but yeah, we have to come like many rounds so that the water can be enough. Yeah, so we'll continue with the video when we reach there at the borehole. And you know, guys, here in the village, like the land is full of green. I've just missed the tobacco is just right there. Maybe I'll show you when we come back. And some beautiful maize plantation. You know, when they have been put some manure, they grow very green, like very smart. Yeah, so it's very green. So we are just here heading at the borehole. So yeah, I hope you are enjoying the video. And there are plenty of trees here, very plenty. It's a very nice place, very cool. Few people. Yes, so let's see. The borehole is just right there. You can see some people are fetching. Let's give a video a like at the premiere. Something has entered inside. Yeah, just right over there. I'll help them in fetching. Yeah. And you know, many people fetch this borehole water. They use it for drinking. Like the river is very far away, but one day I'll take you to the river. You'll see how we enjoy the swimming in the river. And this, but it's deep. When you look at it like this, you see it's not deep, but when you throw this rope inside, it's actually deep. Never kubeba. So let's fetch ours. I hear this borehole is not drying up and many people are coming here to fetch. Like it's not drying up. I don't know why that one over there, that one for the community, I don't know why it's drying up. Here where there's some big trees, when you dig a borehole, I hear you get the water in plenty. That, like you won't dig that deep, then you'll just find like plenty of water where there's big, huge tree. Yeah, so we are heading back home. Everyone is carrying full the this one. Yeah, so everyone is she's behind. Yeah, she's right there. My another sister right over here. So we are heading back home. We'll come again another round. yeah, until the 3 super drums are full. You know, like it has to be plenty of water, enough, good for good, I mean plenty, which will help in smearing the house. So stay tuned till the end. I really love you so much. Yeah, so let me end the video. I'll continue when we reach at the farthest end there, but I'll show you tobacco. We are almost there. Let's continue walking. Yeah, we are almost there. The tobacco, I don't know if you can see it well. Let me move closer, like closer. Here is it. And you know what, here in the village, like many people are planting the tobacco. Yeah, this is how it looks like. It's a very big farm full of tobacco, and it's being sold actually. Yeah, many people buy it. So let's head home. I really love you. Yeah, so guys, we are almost home. Yeah, Kemi, she's not there, but she'll be joining us. Yeah, there's some things which she was looking for. She'll be right here. Yeah, that's our construction site. We are home, sweet home. So we are going for another round. We're just pouring it here on the super drum. This one is full over here. There was the third one just right over there. And now they are still using, so even if they are full, we'll go back and bring another one. Yeah. I have to prepare for them something to eat. Yeah. No, we are all hungry. Eating them, when you do the work, you do with a lot of force. Yeah. I'm thirsty. Yeah, so guys, right now we want to prepare some food. Yeah, we are still collecting some water. We haven't finished, but again we have to cook for the masons, because they are hungry. We are also hungry, so we have to prepare the food right away. So yeah, so actually Kemi brought here some kale. She's right here.
Yeah, hi guys, let me hold this.
Yeah, this water for the kales here. Yeah, she'll say hi to you.
Yes, hi guys, my name is Diana Kemi from East Africa, Kenya. Welcome back to baby_Caro's channel. I'm really happy to be once again be with you guys. Today is day 3.
Yeah.
It's day 3 here, and so far so good. It's not really bad except for the water, but everything is flowing, and I hope we will finish this so soon because I really want this thing to finish. Yeah, because it has been giving me some kind of hectic time because I have to be so much, concentrating on this side.
Yeah, it's like you're busy.
Yeah, for sure. So guys, thank you so much for always coming back to watch this video. I'm really happy. Welcome and welcome back. We love you, and guys, thank you for always taking your time to watch our videos. You are the best, guys. Thank you for always being our #1 fans, and thank you for always being there for us and supporting us, guys. So today we are going to do some good cooking, guys. So you stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy this video. For me, I really like the environment here. Is so good. It's so calming.
Yeah, and the trees, you can hear the
So
breezes.
beautiful. Yeah, it's just relaxing.
Yeah, and it's very green. Yeah.
Birds chirping in the morning. It's just great. I just can't wait when I'll finish all this kind of stuff so that we can be enjoying around. Yeah, guys, I hope you stay with us through this journey, and we love you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. So yeah, she'll be preparing the kales and pepper in ugali. So guys, stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, you're hungry, right?
Yeah, I'm hungry. I'm hungry, guys.
Because you haven't eaten the breakfast. Actually, because we have like to reach here very early in the morning before they arrive. Yeah, so let's prepare the lunch, then we eat. Yeah, so guys, stay tuned. So we are back at the kitchen. So we are preparing some ugali for the family. Yeah, so I'm just mixing it this way, then I let it to boil for some time. Yeah, let it to we call it in our language to tawata. Yeah, so for some time. Meanwhile, let me add some firewood. You see, this one we have just removed from inside here. Yeah, these ones, they are dry. You know, the sun is very hot. Like, let's say it rained yesterday. When you put it here on the sun, it dries like very faster because the too much sun. Yeah. Because in the morning here it was very shady, but now you see it's a lot of sun here. Yeah. So let's start the stirring the ugali. It has some small insects biting. you know, these three stones, they are not that strong. That's why when I'm using a lot of force, it's like it want to pour the sufuria down. Seems like this tree is attracted to some small insect. You see, when I just catch it this way, this insect, they climb on you and they are like biting. They have some tiny bites. You feel like it's pinching you. I think maybe they love those leaves. But after ugali, I think we'll make these stones. It's like they are not that stable. Ugali is ready. I have this is a bucket. I want to put it inside here. And I have a small plate. Actually, it will be the serving plate. And you know, some people usually use this plate like to do this way, like when they want, instead of using this cooking stick, some do like this. It's a traditional way, like you do like this, then you leave it like this to cook. Yeah, so in any way, the ugali will still be good. I mean, want to remove this sufuria. We'll put some water there so that it can, you know, it can. So we'll wash it. Yeah, it's fallen down. So we'll put some water here so that this nini can remove faster. You know, when you leave it like that, it will become like very hard to wash it. Yeah, this way. This is our final result. Wow. And because
The veg. So let me wash them first.
I think I'll use this.
So this water I'll just be pouring inside this. Then straight to cutting my tomatoes. I think I'll cut through here. I cut, then I place it here. Put some oil.
that's all. I'll end my video right here. I hope you are enjoying the video till the end. Please like, comment, share it to your friends, and we'll meet again next time for another video. Yeah, thank you so much for always supporting me, family. I really appreciate. May God bless you abundantly, and we'll meet again next time. I love you so much. You're watching me from East Africa, Kenya. Yeah, more plates are coming. I love you so much. May God continue to bless you.
Well guys, thank you for watching up to this point. Right now we are having some good lunch. We are having ugali, sukuma wiki, which was well prepared, and some sardines, guys. They taste so well. Welcome and welcome back to our lunch. Welcome guys. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I really do appreciate, and guys, big love from this side. If you haven't subscribed at Baby Carol's channel, kindly consider doing so, and also at my channel at Diana Kemi, kindly consider doing so. Guys, we love you so much. Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Bye. Much love from this side here. Yeah, thank you so much. Please consider subscribing to my channel at Baby Caro. Thank you so much for always supporting me. We love you so much. Bye. We love you.